TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida, 1 p.m. on Friday, day before St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day, early, but why not? And the Dow doing its part, all the major indices doing their part in the green. Currently, Dow leading the way up, positive 135 points, trading above 25,000, 25,008. NASDAQ currently positive by 11 points, trading at 74.92, and the S&P is positive by 7 points, trading at 27.62. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform, check in on some of the futures markets with 3 hours left to go until the closing bell. So we'll start off with the Dow 30, currently approaching the highs of the session we made at about 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Dow 30 currently trading 25,033. Jumping over to the NASDAQ 100, and as you can see, the difference in the indices, NASDAQ not even close to those levels that we had made earlier in the session. NASDAQ 100 currently trading 7,055, was up above 7,080 earlier in the trading day. S&P 500 currently trading 2762. We're about 4 points higher as of 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time, an hour and a half ago. Crude oil, quite a day for crude. Crude, as of 11 a.m., was trading at about 61.18. From there, we're up more than a solid dollar, trading 62.32 in the April crude contract. Gold, struggling a bit for most of the morning, getting a bit of a bid from 1309 being the low at around 11 a.m. Eastern Time. From there, we're up almost $5. Currently, gold trading at 1314.07. And Bitcoin getting a bid as well off the lows we made earlier in the market, dipping below 8,000 overnight. Call it 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. Eastern Time last night, trading at the 7,900s. From there, we trade higher, currently trading 85.30 on Bitcoin. So to jump around on some of the earnings stories we had and just the news of the day, it's quad witching, quad expiration, and usually what happens there, that's when the quarterly expiration of futures and options on the indexes and individual stocks known as quad witching takes place. And with that, you typically coincide with the rebalancing of the S&P 500 index, spurring volatility and active trading. Pretty cool chart here going over quad witching and the volume spikes that you see. So we'll see how the day plays out. We got 3 hours left in the trading day. We may see some volume at the close come in as S&P 500 rebalancing and quad witching Friday, day before St. Patrick's Day. Stay tuned. Steve Rhodes coming up right now. Dave White at 2 o'clock. Tom O'Brien at 3 o'clock. Have a great Friday, everybody.
Would you like